We are going to be taking a look at how we can trace the contents of a SASS map. We have developed a written tutorial for this, so if we go to developer.fireflysemantics.com and type in logging SASS, it'll come up. And this one uses an Angular Stackblitz environment, so that's why we called it within Angular projects, but this will work within any project that uses SASS in general. So let's go ahead and click on that, and we'll go down to our map demo and click on that. That'll open up our web container in Stackblitz, and we can see here, if we go to package.json, we have included one of our packages for this, and it is called Firefly Semantics sass-logger. And so if we go to npm like this and type in sass-logger, this is the package that we're going to be using to log the contents of a SASS map. So let's go ahead and get out of that and go to source, open up styles.scss, and we can see that we are importing or using the sass-logger here as logger. And if we go down a little bit more, we're grabbing the warning theme, and we're going to go ahead and print that out into the variable result, and then we'll just debug that result. And what we get is a nicely formatted output like this. You can see that it's no longer on one line, it's all on separate lines, and it's pretty easy to understand the structure of the map. So this is something we developed to make it really easy to just look at the contents of a map, and it's especially helpful when we have maps that are nested inside maps that are nested inside maps. And that's that. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions for us, leave them in the comments and we will get back to you. Have a great day.